Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Simone, and if you are a returning love, what is going on, shorty? How you doing? All right loves, guess what today? Okay, first of all, today is Tuesday, and guess what you guys are on in my car? I'll wait. No guys, I finally got a new car mount. I'm so happy, and I think I set it up in a good place so my phone is not obstructing anything. My rear view mirror. Are you guys good? I think you guys are good. The real test is gonna be driving. I hope that you guys are secure. You guys seem secure. Let me just make sure you're tight. Okay, you guys seem tight. All right, we're about to go to I need to go to CVS to return some stuff for my husband, pick up my medication. Also, we'll talk about what else I'm gonna buy once I get it. But yeah, so and we're gonna run and get groceries. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Okay, I gotta hurry up back because I need to bring breakfast back for my babies because they have not eaten yet. So I told them that I would bring them back some breakfast. All right, so let's get this show on the road. Okay, I didn't bring an extra battery, so we're gonna try to use you sparingly. Okay, we're gonna use you sparingly because, okay, where am I going without glasses on though? I can't see nothing without glasses. Yes, I'm still wearing my old prescription because the way that the new prescription, I just am not happy with. Okay, I am not happy with at all. So let's back up a little bit more. All right, let's boogie. How are you guys today? How are you guys today? I am doing well. I am in a great mood this morning, despite me not sleeping well. I feel okay. I feel okay. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go for a second, and I'll pick you guys back up once I get to CVS.
Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the bullshit, but if you so for real, you could get wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it.
Hi, I want to return this. Do you have receipts? I do.
Give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we
I did. Can I go back to the card? Alrighty.
That is a very true.
Thank you so much. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, so I just left out of CVS. Return is done. I forgot to put on my seatbelt when I was coming here. Let's not make that same mistake again. All right, I feel like that might be a little better. Well, anyway, we're gonna head over to grab my groceries, and then we're gonna go to Dunkin's really quickly. Make sure. Yeah, so we're gonna grab my groceries, and then we're going to head over to Dunkin' Donuts. I know it's not the best breakfast, but we're just gonna get that real quick. I'm gonna get some wake up wraps for, wow, I was about to leave CVS and not grab my prescription. Hold on. We gotta go get my prescription. I came all the way here for me, not just for my husband. For me. Let me go through the drive-thru real quick, guys. Oh, wow. I would have had to come all the way back here without my medicine because I didn't even take it this morning. Oh, no. All right, we are here.
Thank you for choosing CVS Pharmacy. If you're dropping off a new prescription, please make sure the name, address...
Hi, Bettina.
Yes.
What's the date of birth? One moment. It's $1.84.
Okay. What? Hold on. Thank you so much. Have a good day. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna put y'all down for a second and then I'll be back. Okay? I'll be back. We made it to pick up groceries. They didn't have my green apples. I might run in there real quick just to see if they have any green apples that are organic, because I need them for snacks for myself and snacks for Ari. I've been having the most crazy sweet tooth cravings lately, and I've been eating cookies, guys. I'm not supposed to be, and I usually do not have these kind of cravings, but oh, I'll be back. She's here. Be nice to your service workers, okay? I have this one lady that works at the grocery store that I pick up my groceries from, and she is so nice, okay? She cares about the people that pick up their groceries. And I was just telling you guys about the apples, right? About the green apples. Why did she just tell me, you know, they were out of the organic apples, but they have apples, right? But she wouldn't buy them for herself, so she didn't get them for me. And I'm like, this is what I'm talking about when it comes to caring about the person, or caring that you wouldn't want it either, so why give it to me? So I love her for that. And every like holiday season, when the holidays come about, I make sure I take care of her, because like it takes a special person to actually do the things that she does, and I'm so grateful to her. I'm so grateful to her. So guys, please take care of your service workers. Make sure you are nice to them. I get that they chose the job, but you don't have to make their job worse than what it is. Be respectful and nice and caring, and understand that they are people too. Yes, they're doing a service for you, but that does not mean that you have to be rude. So I've been back home for a long while now, and I'm about to like get myself prepared for the evening. It is 2 o'clock. I'm gonna do these dishes that I have in my sink. I'm gonna put these dishes away first. That's in the strainer. Then I'm gonna do the dishes, and then I'm gonna have lunch, because I have yet to have lunch, and it's 2 o'clock. So I need to hurry up and get that done so it's not too late. For dinner, Ari wanted tacos, right? But I did not take the meat out in enough time. So I'm going to make her, I purchased today some organic hot dogs. So that's what she's going to have, that and some vegetarian baked beans. So she's going to have hot dogs and beans, and I'm going to have a salad tonight for dinner as well. I'm going to have a salad for lunch and a salad for dinner. So, well, I'll have a salad for lunch and a smoothie for dinner. I don't know what I want. We'll figure it out once we get there. But for now, I want to get these dishes done, and I'm going to edit a little bit because I have a video going live tomorrow and I have yet to even start editing. So I'm going to edit, watch a few vlogs, and yeah, just get myself prepared and ready for tomorrow because I need to hurry up and edit this vlog. All right, I'll let you guys go just for a little bit, and then I'll pick y'all back up in a minute. Mm-hmm.